Hi everyone, it's Martin Unix here, and today marks an incredibly special day for me and you as well, since you have been part of my journey. I've just received something that represents a huge milestone on my YouTube channel, and I couldn't wait to share with you guys. Before we dive into unboxing, I just want to take this special moment to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart, since this silver plate button is not just mine, but it's for us all. You played a major role in supporting my channel up to this far, level. And this silver play button, it's not just mine, it's for us all. It represents, or else it's a testament to our community and the content we have been creating together, not forgetting the support that you have shown throughout my journey. So we can just go ahead and unbox it. Just to give a sneak peek, this is what to expect on the channel. All right, let's see what's inside. And this is the latest version of the silver play button that YouTube has just produced currently. So let's dive deep and see what's inside. Wow. And here comes a leaflet which says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional." Have a look. So here comes the letterhead from YouTube CEO Neil Mohan, which, if I can dive deep into what it says, "We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations." Wow. You can zoom in, pause. And here comes the most precious gift that I've ever received in my life. And now this is the silver play button. You can zoom in. Guys, I can't believe that I'm holding this right now. It makes me happy to see my name engraved on the button. It makes everything feel real, and it presents to Martin Unix for passing 100,000 subscribers. It's wow, guys. What a moment. It reminds me of my journey when I started my channel some time back, hoping to reach some few people who shared my passion of dreadlocks styling. Little did I know that my channel will grow to such an amazing, huge community which shares same ideas, that is locks care family. And it's really amazing, guys. This is a proof that hard work, dedication, and amazing followers like you can make everything possible. And we are not stopping here, guys. We are on the move to 1 million subscribers. And I feel motivated to bring more content, to keep creating, to keep improving, and to keep growing together with you. This is really a milestone. And guys, I want to thank you for your tremendous support. And we are not stopping here. We shall keep on pushing. I will keep on creating more content. And I want to thank you for staying locked on my channel over the years. And, keep on sharing my work. Keep on subscribing if you are new on my channel, and stay locked for more content to come. Thank you, guys.